curricula and tests, it's worth understanding initially, how we go about trying to decide what is important and what things should be tested. So for every one of our certification curricula and exams, we go through a process similar to the diagram which is being presented and shown on the screen right now. We start off by getting subject matter experts like Cale, like Kevin, like others who are basically acting as SREs on a day-to-day basis, or who are advising clients on how maybe to set up their own SRE practices. And we ask them, what are the sorts of things that we should be looking for? What are the things that you do on a day-to-day basis that you think other SREs need to know about, need to understand, maybe need to do as they sort of develop their skills in this area? We survey those individuals. That then leads us to an outline or a structure that says these are the areas that we're going to basically check that the candidate knows something about. And as part of that, we need to start developing education material, which runs in parallel to this, to help a candidate get the right set of skills, get access to the right sources of information, and to build up their own knowledge. We then go off and, so we're imagine that there are two parallel streams. There is curriculum development going on to sort of develop course materials, and then there is the sort of the exam development process. We start by writing questions. And then those questions are technically reviewed. We generally start with many more questions than we would actually need for the certification test, such that if you take the test and fail it, if you take it again, you'll get a different test, albeit covering the same topics. And then we provide other questions that will be